pressure, pura mierda. Mientras tú copias, yo soy la fórmula. No te confundas. Let's go. Me and my bitches, we really the best. We all thought we gon' catch you in traffic. Said that you should put you right in the casket. Bitch, you know that I'm up in no matching. Like what? This bitch really got me fucked up. Pass me the papers, I need to roll out. This bitch thinks she stuck when she suck. Like yuck, what the fuck? Niggas, they see you and don't wanna fuck. Look at this stuff and not even the butt. Bitch, do this, bitch, keep it a buck. Bitch, you ask what you live in this club. Talking about me and I don't give a fuck. Bitch, and my kids, you can live in my job. Hosted in a hush. I have purpose of crush. You really know you do too much and don't do this shit well. What? Then you should put your head in the casket. Bitch, you know that I'm up in no matching. Like, huh? Like what? This bitch really got me fucked up. Pass me the papers, I need to roll up. This bitch thinks she's up when she's stuck.
Hold on, acapella.
Don't forget what you build as do. Don't confuse attention with value. I don't think over likes or views. I don't fight over broke as dudes. Bitches that pressure that's not for the weak. Whether that's pyramid in concrete. That's bitch we end up in the streets. And bitches hating say watching my feet. If it ain't about money, don't speak. Hold on, you ain't poppin', you weak. And you wanna sound E. Me and my bitches, we really the baddest. We all thought we gon' catch you in traffic. Said you should put you right in the casket. Bitch, you know that I'm up in no matching. Like what? This bitch really got me fucked up. Pass me the pink cause I need to roll up. This bitch thinks she's up when she's stuck. No te compares. You already know. Every L is turning to gray. Yup, it is my code. The city is mine. Deja'Vú. Let's go!
So this is gonna be the performance fix. So you're gonna start off with the Ice Spice version.
With the Ice Spice?
Then you go into your version. So
Okay, let's see.
Mierda.
No, because I say that again.
Yeah.
I say that again.
Yeah, you perform it again. So they can
No,
know the
it's
sound.
too much for me.
Oh, this is show business.
Can I say it one time?
You gotta do it twice.
Please, let's do it one time. I can't do it on the thing. No, please.
Trust me.
No, because it's gonna...
Trust me.
I'm repeating it 2 times and I'm not supposed to. No, because it's the chorus only that I want to sing. The me and my bitches.
You gotta understand. This is you trying to get people to learn a song, and if they hear it.
No, but not that one, because that's supposed to be from the second verse. The second, you know what I'm saying?
So you just want to do the
Yeah.
That. All right.
Unless we take it out in the second part.
Just do the song. You don't gotta do the Ice Spice.
Oye, puta, mucho ruido y cero movimiento, ese es tu problema. You bitches be loud, pero no hacen nada. Oh.
Just play it. It just gives it that performance feel. I don't know.
Mierda.
I'm gonna take it out.
Esta pressure that's not for the weak. Whether I say it, it ain't complete. Big beats sweating, I'm pretty and street. Same bitches hate too much of my feet. Me and my bitches, we really the baddest. We all thought we gon' catch you in traffic. 7 you shot, but you got in the casket. Bitch, you know that I'm up in no matching. Like what? This bitch really got me fucked up. Pass me the papers, I need to roll up. This bitch thinks she's up when she's stuck. Like yuck, what the fuck? Niggas, they see you and don't wanna fuck. Then I'm just up, it's not even the boy. Bitch, you nasty, let's keep it
And I'm gonna come. I know myself. I'm gonna get confused. I already don't know what I'm saying.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta learn it.
No, I don't want to start with the Ice Spice.
You
I
have
don't.
to. I'm gonna take
I
it
just
out.
want the acapella part.
That's fine.
I want the acapella part.
Do you want people to feel it, or you want to just perform?
I just want to perform. They'll feel me after. Cause this is a short notice. They can't feel me quick.
I mean, I caught on to it, but it's just like you have to
But
keep
you get what I'm
repeating it.
saying, though, right?
Yeah, you have to
If you
keep
keep
repeating
repeating
it.
it, they will
come.
get it.
They're gonna catch it.
Why do you think I know the words? I'm not a girl. I've been hearing it. Like, I'm not, me and my bitch is really the bad. I know the words.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
the first time you push through, you perform. The second go around, people catch it. They're like, oh,
That's what I'm
that
saying.
bitch
It's
is
a
really the
performance.
baddest.
It's not, you just, here's my song, listen to it. No, this is you performing. So you're trying to get the crowd to really engage with you. You don't want to do it and then, you know, people are just looking at you like, okay, and then your shit is over, and then it's like, okay, they couldn't wait for it to be over. No, you want
Right.
people to feel you. So it's
Yeah,
like
want to
they
vibe
feel
with you.
They like, that's why you think I brought the beat in. This is the beat by itself.
But there's too much space like that. What I'm supposed to do?
On the mic, you got the mic.
But I already talking in the
No, that's
thing.
not a performance. That's the song. That's what you're getting at two different things. You want to just copy paste. It's not copy paste. This is a performance.
Like,
This is
it's
not
not
just I'm
plagiarism.
just doing everything
Just
on my
gotta do
song
what
and then I
Oh
say.
no, now I'm
this
nervous.
is-
I don't want to talk to people.
Alright, let me show you.
No, but it's talking.
And then them bitches gonna be like this, looking at me, like, don't do that to me. I
But
need
your
to
intro
perform and
is
leave.
talking.
No.
Your intro
Listen,
is
I'm gonna be in a strip club where there's gonna be mad girls that's gonna be looking at me like this. Just for how I'm looking already. I can't do all that and try to vibe with them.
Yeah?
They're gonna try to boom, and then I will have to grab the mic and bang bang.
Muhammad's